guys, today we're going to be reviewing this 4-camera alarm system, security system that I got for my house. It comes with the manual and it comes with this box here that connects all the cameras to it. So if you can see, I have all the 4 cameras connected. This one's connected to your router, and this is connected to a little mouse that if you want to use it with a computer screen, you can. Also, that's the power unit. It's got a VGA that you can connect also to the screen, like I said, and an HD port, HDMI port as well. So it's very simple. You turn it on, you plug in, you make sure all the 4 cameras are functioning properly, and then you install them, which I already went ahead and installed. So right now, this is my camera system. So I have 4 different cameras outside. So I can double click on one. Oh, give me a second. Buffering. So double click on one and you can zoom in, zoom out on them. You can change between the different cameras. This is another view that I have of the door. This is the back and another view. So, there's different, all 4. If you, hold on. So if I want to have all 4 of them, so I have all 4, you can change between 1 channel, 4 channels. You can talk, it does intercom. It's got an amazing night vision, AI recognition. It gives you early warning and alarm system. Like if somebody is trespassing, it'll actually sound an alarm outside, so people kind of get scared. So it's pretty cool. And it also tells you when somebody's coming, like when a person is there, detected, it will tell you. So it's really good. It's got the mobile app push phone, which is awesome. It does automatic switching of infrared light and white light. And again, it's got the 2-way intercom. So, I mean, so many different, you can play back, you can record, like you can hit on which one you want to record, and you will record like whatever is going on. So that turns it off, and then you can save them. So I mean, so many different functions that you can do. And again, it's so easy. It's set it up. You just plug them right in, and they're connected. So I highly recommend this camera system to anyone, especially like when we go away and stuff. It is excellent. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye.